Hi everyone, Sherry here. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing review. Today I have this tinybaking cooking set. A few months ago, my youngest son and his family came to visit. We went to Denver to the Children's Museum. I recommend that if you have kids. There's so much for them to see and do. Penelope had a great time. Of course, when you have kids, you have to go to the gift shop. So we did. I saw this, I thought it was just totally hilarious. My son bought it for me, and it has a 48-page booklet that has 20 recipes and some fun science facts. So my son knew, of course, I had a cooking channel, and so he wanted to buy this for me. The packaging is kind of rough. It was the only one there, and it was on clearance. But I'm tickled pink, and I really can't wait to try this out. All right, so it comes in this little tin that you can store all of your utensils. Here is the 48-page booklet with the recipes. At first when I was looking at this, it didn't say on the packaging. I was sitting there thinking, is this for the Easy Bake Oven? I do have an Easy Bake Oven, but it's not. I just glanced at a recipe and it says preheat oven. So it does go into the regular oven. I haven't decided what recipe I'm going to make yet, but when I do, you're coming along with me on that. Okay, let's see what we've got here. Okay, we've got a little pie or pizza slice server. We got a little knife. Don't worry, it's not sharp. Kids would have fun with this. They could actually cook something, you know. I just think it's really cool. Here's a pizza cutter. It does spin. It's not sharp either, but hopefully I'll cut the pizza if you make pizza. Anyway, you got 3 little measuring spoons. You've got a big spoon to stir your mix with. You got a rolling pin. This does roll. Just so excited about this. This is so cool. And I'm not even a kid. All right, down on below, you have your little protective things for your cutting. It's silicone. Wouldn't protect you getting it out of the oven though, but that would protect you from your chopping. You know, you're going like this. Fun, fun, fun. A pie pan, or you can use this as a pie pan or a pizza dish. Your mixing bowl. Isn't that cool? This is a silicone baking sheet to make your cupcakes and cakes. Isn't that cute? So you can make 2 cakes, you know, 2-layer cake, or 3 little cupcakes, and a cookie sheet. So we have everything we need to cook with. And then you put everything back into your tin, even your booklet, and then you can store it. That way nothing gets lost. So like I said, I am very excited about using this. I think it's funny that he bought this for me, for one. I can't wait to see how they turn out. They're so tiny, you know. How easy would they be to burn? Knowing me, pretty easily. But once I decide what I'm going to make, I'll bring you along and then you can watch the process. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.